This is why you need to make the best beef lasagna ever. Your taste buds will thank you. First up, the meat sauce. Brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet. Add a chopped onion and minced garlic, cooking until the onion is soft. Stir in marinara sauce, tomato sauce, and tomato paste, followed by sugar, dried basil, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Let it simmer for 20-30 minutes. Now for the cheese mixture. Mix together ricotta cheese, an egg, Parmesan cheese, shredded mozzarella, parsley, salt, and pepper in a bowl until smooth. Time to assemble. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread a thin layer of meat sauce on the bottom of a baking dish. Layer lasagna noodles, cheese mixture, and meat sauce. Repeat until everything's used up, finishing with meat sauce and a good sprinkle of mozzarella on top. Bake it covered for 25 minutes, then uncovered for another 25 until bubbly and golden. Let it cool for 10 minutes before slicing. There you have it, the best beef lasagna ever. Enjoy!